Shadows call my name, whispers of a love that faded. Nothing is the same. Memories, they linger like ghosts within my mind. In the echoes of the past, your heart I try to find. Tears fall like rain in this empty room. Every note of sorrow, a haunting tune. Loneliness, my only friend, in the silence of my heart. Since you've gone away, everything's torn apart.
The stars up in the sky, they used to shine so bright. Now they're just a reminder of the darkest night. I wander through the moments, lost without your touch, longing for the days when we loved so much. Tears fall like rain in this empty room. Every note of sorrow, a haunting tune. Loneliness, my only friend, in the silence of my heart. Since you've gone away, everything's torn apart.
If I could turn back time, I'd hold you close again. But now I'm left with shadows and an endless rain. In the stillness, your voice is just a distant sound, a memory that fades as the darkness comes around.
Time moves slowly like a river running dry. The colors of the world fade to a grayscale sky. I trace the lines of our love in the tears that fall. Each drop a reminder of the rise and the fall. Tears fall like rain in this empty room. Every note of sorrow, a haunting tune. Loneliness, my only friend, in the silence of my heart. Since you've gone away, everything's torn apart.
If I could turn back time, I'd hold you close again. But now I'm left with shadows and an endless rain. In the stillness, your voice is just a distant sound, a memory that fades as the darkness comes around.
In the quiet of